people. I owe everything. Here, I have lived nearly 12 years of my life and have grown from a toddler to a teenager. In next year, I'll be leaving my alma mater, not knowing when or whether ever I may return. Without the assistance of respected Director Sir, Director Ma'am, my dear teachers, I could not have reached the place where I am today. I consider myself the luckiest human being on the face of the earth today. I vividly remember the day when I walked through the gates of Saint Kabir, looking back at my parents with tearful eyes. But the gentle and firm hand of my teacher guided me to my first classroom. Soon, under the loving care of Aban ma'am and my then class teacher, I quickly mingled with other tiny tots. Our teachers were just like a mother figure for us. I wonder how, without my telling anybody, my teacher used to judge my mood. Whenever I was down, my teacher used to boost up my spirit by narrating some funny stories or even by a warm hug or an occasional pampering by giving me a chocolate. Since then, it has been a journey in an educated and cultured environment, unfolding new vistas of learning every day with most modern tools and techniques. I remember how much we enjoyed our P periods and would never remain absent on the day when we had P. The most dreaded punishment for us was the cancellation of P period. Inter-school competitions spurred our hidden talents. Funfair and annual function gave us the feeling as if there is the wedding in the family. Inter-school competitions laid a strong foundation for us before we entered the highly competitive world of today. Projects like Save Water, Tree Plantation Drive gave us the message we must save our geography before it becomes history. Visits to Kheda and imparting new values and visits to municipal schools imparted the value to us that giving precedes receiving. Special assemblies on Janmashtami, Gandhi Jayanti, Raksha Bandhan, Independence Day, Republic Day, etc. reveal to us the rich cultural heritage we have been blessed with. Working as a member of Student Council helped me to learn how to work as a team, and we passed on to our schoolmates the qualities of discipline, punctuality and obedience. Besides following these ourselves, it also helped me to discover that talent may win games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championship. We also discover the greatness of value of forgiveness when our dear teachers forgave us hundreds of times for our pranks. I also cannot be forgetful to the moral value lessons which our teachers taught us. Some of these like being concerned, being considerate, being polite, teamwork and valuing ourselves. The best value that my teacher taught me was the richest treasure of life is a childlike heart. A heart that wonders and loves. We got a number of opportunities to fan out our fantasy and creativity. I also cannot be forgetful to the clean surroundings that our BIS provided us with the safe premises that our security guards worked hard to give us. The list of what we have received from our school, ladies and gentlemen, will go on and on. E.E. Cummings very rightly said, it takes courage to grow up and become who you really are. And our school has helped us attain that courage. I take this opportunity to thank from the core of my heart respected Director Sir, Director Ma'am, Renu Ma'am, teachers, administrative staff for giving us 12 unforgettable years of our lives. I wish Saint Kabir to touch the greater heights of name, fame and glory. I would like to conclude my speech by saying that जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है, जिंदगी के नए इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है, अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर ज़मीं हमने, अभी तो सारा आसमां बाकी है. Thank you.
Thank you.